एवरीबॉडी वेलकम टू माय चैनल द इनविजिबल ट्रेडर। वीडियोस अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर कीजिए और बाकी लोगों को हमारे साथ जोड़िए। आज की जो हमारी व्यू थी, लोगों को याद होगा अच्छी तरह से कि हमने व्यू क्या दिया था। हमने बोला था बैंक निफ्टी में मार्केट अपर साइड कैप वुड बी दिस और बैंक निफ्टी में डाउन साइड कैप वुड बी दिस एंड ये लेवल अगर आता है तो हम बाय करेंगे। आज तो टाइमिंग को आज हमने वैसे भी इग्नोर करने के लिए बोला था और कल के लिए भी मैं ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा because tomorrow astro timing is actually looks positive, but it's a Friday. You don't know whether profit booking will come or not. FIIs are already in selling mode anyway continuously, but tomorrow I would still keep my views on actually on the positive side rather than on negative side. I'll give you the extreme levels for trading for sure, but if you look at on a price action point of view, few people ask me whether next week looks positive or negative. I think the next week view, I would keep myself for positiveness ideally. Okay. Because, yeah, so for next week, I was saying that I would probably be a positive and, because tomorrow the levels that I'm looking at now, this zone that I have drawn that you can see here, right around 36,500, it looks like a strong support for me. So there is only like 500 point ka fall. If it is possible, it would be possible tomorrow, I mean next week. The market should ideally revert towards positive side. And if we look at the view anyway, next week we will discuss at a later stage. You will see ideally a W pattern in bank nifty, right? And this is a neckline which is broken now on the neckline, and it will probably towards will go upside. So my view is not like very bear. Okay, but before we go to tomorrow's trading and next week we will do after tomorrow's closing, our view was, I mean, I don't know how many people to buy here, but what I said, when if market in bank nifty especially, if market opens within this range, right, if market opens within this range, what you do is 37,600 C and 37,000 P you can sell strangle. Okay, people, if you would have sold it, almost gave 150 points, and that is what I said, that this Thursday also on this triangle we would get minimum 150 to 180 points. We got 150 points if people have sold exactly on day opening, right? And the downside limit was here, of course, more than bank nifty was beautiful. I gave you a range of 17,350 to 17,560, 200 point range I gave you, and market touched both upper caps, upper side, lower side, upper side, then sell, right? I already told that this sell zone is going to be the upper side capped of nifty. How many people took the trades, I don't know, but yeah, but it has been a wonderful view. So today though, our view actually really rocked and we made good money, of course. So tomorrow what will happen? As I said, my view, I'll not give any astro view, but my view looks market to be on buy on dip tomorrow. Okay, global market is already down. We might see a gap down. Possible hai. The trend line that we are going to keep is very simple, and we will take a 5-minute trend line only. This is a beautiful trend line. Okay, so you keep this trend line with you. Okay, and then we will see if market is basically crossing this trend line, especially this level. If it holds this level 17,120, 130, you can take a zone a little bit up 37,200 especially, which is the swing highs and all those. There is a very high chance that market might come up to 37,700 tomorrow. Possible. Is this sell zone going to work? Yes, but it might be a weak sell zone tomorrow. So pay attention to that. Okay, pay attention to that. I would probably not initiate a sell if a market is ideally if a market is ideally moving this kind of move. Okay, so I'll not pay attention to this sell zone at all. If market is going from gap down, okay, like this, then probably the target would be 37,400. Okay, these are the two scenarios on the upper side I'm talking about. Upper side means upper side of this black level. Okay, there is below this black level, I do not have any buy level other than 36,600. That means I'm talking about a 400 point fall from closing. Bank Nifty agar kal aaj ka closing, because this is a beautiful low of 2 days, double bottom is already formed. If Bank Nifty by chance goes below this level, irrespective of the time, we can easily go for a sale of 250 point till this level. Okay, 250 to 300 point to this level. Before that, after that, you can do for a buying. That means if market is, guys, playing around this area, I mean, especially below this black level, 36,925, which is our weekly level, you don't buy, you look for a sell. You only buy if market comes here, 36,620. Otherwise, you do not buy. Okay, so this below this level, we have only sell on rise till this level. यहाँ पे आया तो buy करेंगे. We'll buy only when market has like 1.5 hour or 2 hours left. That means around 1:30. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. Clear? Baaki these scenarios look possible to me. Pay attention to these scenarios. I would be buy on dips. I'm not looking for a very, very high fall tomorrow, irrespective of it being a Friday. Okay. Now people can think, sir, market gap up ho gaya aur yahan se sale dena chalu kiya. Can it do a furious fall? I don't think so. I don't think so. Market will do a furious fall. Even if market comes from this level, no, it cannot be more furious than this. That means this level will still going to save it. Okay, so tomorrow in the upper side scenario, market is gapping up, my lower side level would still be 36,900 only. Clear everybody? Bank Nifty में Nifty आ लेते हैं. Nifty में थोड़ा सा मुझे upside capping दिख रहा है, because a lot of stocks looks to me range bound tomorrow, especially in Nifty. So Nifty में we have two extreme levels. So we have three levels actually in the top side here: 17,580. 17,476, 17,440. We have a buy at 17,440. Okay, scenarios remain same. Ideally, if market gaps up and goes up, can I look for a huge sell? You can look for a sell, but not below than this. This should be, market would behave like this tomorrow. Okay, if this scenario happens. If this scenario doesn't happen, that means market is ideally, let's say, opening gap up, but coming down and taking a support from 17,480 around level and going up, then the sky is limit tomorrow for Nifty. We don't have a max upside in this scenario only. We don't have a max upside in Nifty. So that means we are not selling at all in this scenario. Okay, it would be buy on dips. Third scenario, if market is gapping down below this level, we stay sell and rise up to this level. Okay, and then we could go for a buy. But in that case, this black level would still be a max capping level for us tomorrow. It might go up, but the target would be this. If market is going from here, the target would be 17,527 again. So 100 point का थोड़ा सा range bound लग रहा है नीचे side में. ऊपर side में we don't know. ऊपर side में it might fly anywhere. So mota view है, even if it is Friday, because last Friday it was a very, very furious fall. This Friday I'm not looking at a furious fall. Okay, rather if market is coming down, we'll go for a buy on dips. Thank you very much. That's it for today. Good night. Jai Maruti.